Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36pix. In this tutorial, I'm going to run through a few tips and tricks that will guide you through a basic workflow. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the lasso tool, which is the best tool to use on images that have a small amount of green confined to an area of the subject, such as the notebook in this picture. The first thing I like to do is press the backslash button on my keyboard. This helps me to see the green areas of the image. Next, I want to activate the lasso tool by either choosing it from the toolbar or using the keyboard shortcut L for lasso. Now that I have the lasso tool, I'm going to make a selection around this notebook. Now I'll press F12 to apply an action. What this action does is it hides all of the green outside of the selection while retaining the green inside of my selection. The status bar at the bottom will tell us when an action is performing and when it's complete. To see what the image looks like with a background, we can use the keyboard shortcut C to navigate through a set of different colors. Once the image is complete, all we have to do is press F8 to save it. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for information on the tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching.